Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to break down for you how you can create a read-only link for your website projects on Webflow Web Designer. For example, to share your website project with other co-editors, but without giving them the opportunity to make changes and edits to your website or to its pages. So let us dive into this. So guys, you will need to navigate to the website designer here on Webflow, access your project, website project. And after that, click into that share button in the top right. But instead of inviting a user here or creating a shareable link there below, click into sandbox link below. And if you enable this by switching it on here, you will be given the opportunity to use, for example, that preview link here. Click into this button to copy to your clipboard. And as I just described, this link will give access to a read-only version of the given site project to the user you would like to invite. So edits won't be possible for the invited user. So that's the difference to a common or normal share link here. And that's how it works, guys. So you can, for example, create a new read-only link here. And this will, of course, this will deactivate the previous one. So guys, that's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.